Imagine a place where your medical education goes beyond textbooks and lecture halls, where the heartbeat of real-world medicine syncs with your own. At the Wright Center, you're not just studying medicine, you're practicing it from day one. Hands-on learning in our clinics gives you the confidence to make decisions, to interact, and to care for patients who depend on you. But it's not just about the medical knowledge you'll gain. It's about the people you'll meet. Here, patients become your teachers and their stories, your lessons. Your peers, a lifelong network of friends and collaborators, supporting you, cheering for you. Beyond the clinic, your education takes you into the heart of communities. You'll learn the power of empathy and compassion as you make a tangible difference in the lives you touch, grounding your medical practice in real-world impact. So if you're ready to take the leap, to challenge yourself, and to embrace a future where your career and your passion for helping others collide, the Wright Center awaits. This is where your journey begins, where you become part of something bigger than yourself. Welcome to the Wright Center. Welcome to the future of healthcare. Welcome home.